Nadia Seed. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be crafting. What are we going to be crafting? Do I hear that? What is that? I'm so hungry. Huh? What? I need a burrito. Did you say you need a burrito? Yes. Okay then, I guess we're making a burrito. In fact, we are going to learn how to DIY doll burritos like My Froggy Stuff.
Yay, I'm so hungry. It's gonna be so yummy.
I am going to make a burrito for our dolls using paper, color pencils, a candy wrapper, and glue.
Okay, so My Froggy Stuff told us what supplies we need, so let's go to the craft store and get them. But wait, I hope you are making this craft at home as well as me, so we can make it together. I promise you will enjoy it. Let's go. Okay, so we are at the craft store and we need to get paper, colored pencils, glue, and aluminum foil. We already have aluminum foil at home, so let's go get the rest of the things. We need the glossy Mod Podge. One thing down. All right, so here is our construction colored paper. Ooh, wow, perfect. Okay, here are our colored pencils. Okay, so we are back from the craft store. We got all of our supplies. Yes. Okay, My Froggy Stuff, what's next?
And a light brown colored pencil, and I just start making little dots and little tiny shaded areas. I'm coloring very softly, so it kind of just fades here and there. Now I'm going to use a darker brown to make little spots, cut a circle, then crumble it up. This will give it texture and make it easier to fold.
Okay, so I'm just going to take a light brown colored pencil and I'm just making some dots and scribbles like she said. Who's your favorite crafter? Personally, my favorite crafter is My Froggy Stuff. And I think you can tell why. If you craft, what kind of things do you craft? I like to obviously craft a lot of doll stuff. Okay, so I listened to My Froggy Stuff a little bit further and she said to draw some dots with dark brown pencil and cut the circle out and crumble it up. So let's go do that. Okay, so we have our crumbled up burrito paper and let's see what's next.
I take colored cardstock and cut it into thin strips. I cut brown, white, green, light green, yellow, and red. I am going to use all of these colors for the filling in the burrito.
All right, let's do this. Because you know what? You and I are different. We are unique. We are creative. We are different than the normal. Sure, we could just
Buy some doll food at the store or whatever.
but no, we don't do that stuff because we are real and we make our things handmade. Whoa, let me watch these scissors. Because this food is going to be way more unique than what we could just buy in the store. Ah! Ouch! I totally just got a foot cramp trying to talk to you guys. We're just standing up. Whew, that hurt. Technical difficulties. Let's go back to the studio. Sorry about that. Okay, what were we talking about? Never mind. Let's just get back to the crafts. If you like cutting, then this is the craft for you. Because there is a lot of cutting in this craft. If you have a friend nearby that also likes cutting, I'd bring that person over. You know what? This is kind of relaxing. Sort of ASMR. I'm getting pretty used to it.
Where's my burrito? I'm hungry already. Come on. Oh, I want to eat.
Jade, I promise, burritos are coming. They're cooking, okay? Ring in the making. They're on their way. I got you, girl. Whew, that was a lot of cutting. How'd you do? This is how mine turned out. And I think it's pretty nice. Now it's time for the next step.
Small sections, crumbling them up, take the tortilla, lay it face down. I place the brown paper on the bottom, leaving a little space before the end.
Got it. So let's start cutting. Okay, so I don't think I need too much. Just gonna cut a little bit, and I'm going to sort of fold it together and twist it to kind of crumble it up at the end. She said small sections, but it's like very flimsy and kind of loose for me, so I'm just gonna do like big small sections, if that makes sense. And I'm sort of pinching it once I get to the end of it and twisting it together. And then we'll place it on our burrito just like that. Wait a minute, this is the wrong side. And just like that. You know, I'm feeling very industrial doing this. Almost like Rosie the Riveter. Wait, especially I feel like Rosie the Riveter with this outfit on. Come on, let's do the pose. Strong. All right, let me put these on. Putting the toppings on. Burritos, so cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a nice, just little coat of glue. Just help it stick together more. And only in the inside, so it doesn't show. I don't know if that's gonna work or hold together, whatever. But you know, sometimes you just gotta take a risk, a leap of faith. This burrito is looking really good so far. I kinda wanna eat it, but no I don't, because I already had dinner, so I'm good. But actually, I am the hungriest person in the house, so.
Nadia, you better not eat my burrito.
Don't worry, Jade, it's coming along fine, and I'm not eating anything.
You better not.
Okay, I have all of my toppings. Now, what's next, my froggy stuff?
I work to bunch them all together, and I even fold over the bottom end to make sure all the pieces are secured inside. Cover the end with a layer of glue, apply glue to the inside of the tortilla, place the filling inside, fold over the back end, then fold over one of the sides, then the other.
So I've got my meats, my sour cream, my cheese, my tomatoes, and my lettuce, and now I'm just bunching them all together, and we'll see how this comes out. I just fold this end over. So my froggy stuff used a glue stick to glue the ends, but I feel like Mod Podge will sort of hold it together more. So I'm gonna use that. You know what? Just gonna do this. Ah! There we go. And let me get a paintbrush. Got it. It looks messy, but it's gonna turn out great in the end, I hope. So she also used a glue stick for this, but I feel confident with Mod Podge, so I'm gonna try and do Mod Podge for the placing the burrito fillings inside of the wrap. I'm placing that on there, and I'm just gonna add a little bit more Mod Podge at the end so that I can fold it up and the sides and the other side. And then I'm just gonna pinch that and hold it together for a little bit longer. Don't worry, this is gonna dry clear. While this is drying, I wanna know what your creation looks like since we made this together, right? So, follow me on my Instagram page at Real Nadia Seed and DM me a picture of your doll burrito. And I may just post it on my Instagram page. So now she said to trim off the excess. Careful. Woo! And we're just gonna like move it around and push it back into the burrito tortilla. Careful not to rip it. Looking like a real burrito right there. I liked it, but I kind of want some more red to show. So you know what? I'm going to just cut a little bit more of this red, just a little bit, and I'm going to sort of wrap it into a twist form, and we're just gonna stick it back here, cut it again, and next she said to cover it with Mod Podge. Just a little bit. And you can of course use any clear drying glue. I just prefer to use Mod Podge. It looks like a bunch of sour cream just spilled out on the outside of it. This is her next step.
Cut a piece of a candy wrapper, wrap it around the bottom of the burrito, crunch up the end to make a foil wrapper for the burrito.
Okay, let's go. Wait, look at this little burrito just sitting on my finger. Okay, so I cut a square of aluminum foil or a candy wrapper, and I'm just going to wrap it around the burrito and just gonna crunch up the ends. Perfect! We made a little burrito! Oh my gosh, it is too cute. Please help me. I love it. So My Froggy Stuff went ahead and made some fully wrapped burritos, so I did that too. And now they are all done. Don't they look so good? Jade's gonna love these. And now we have enough for her friends. Oh, Jade, your burritos are done.
Oh, this looks so yummy. Thank you, Nadia. I've been waiting all day for this. It looks so yummy.
Pass that plate over to me.
Yum, yum, yum.
It was no problem at all. Enjoy, girls.
So good. Yum.
Watch another video so we can do something else unique. Let's make not normal the new normal with Nadia. Bye.